What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be building a backyard flow trail. This trail is going to be built on our original trail, and it's going to be a lot more fun because we're going to make everything a lot bigger. We started out by making a massive roller on top of our old tabletop jump, which we built in a different video. We piled sticks and rocks on each other to fill up space so we wouldn't have to use as much dirt. Then onto the berms. We used the pickaxe to cut the dirt up, and then we piled it up to build the berms. We got some help from our cousin, which made the work much faster.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.